Welcome to Trial by Butter, where we test, develop, and share our recipes with love.
So this is the amazing, best-selling, super buttery, insanely flavorful bourbon vanilla, my husband's favorite. I'm going to show you how to make them. We are going to be starting with
butter.
the butter.
Because it's trial by butter, you have to add butter first. Ew. Now.
So first the sugar.
Now, sugar. Next.
So then we're going to be adding a pinch.
Of salt.
That is not salt, that is citric acid.
I mean citric acid.
3/4 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons
of girl
of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of powdered vanilla, because all the liquid is going to be coming from our bourbon. Not yet, darling, not yet. We're going to go ahead and cream that all together. Come together very quickly and easily if you already have everything prepped. You can go ahead and add the eggs. That's going to be 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and I already set it aside. The whole thing, darling. Good job. Alrighty. And then to our wet ingredients, we're going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of bourbon.
That's not bourbon, that's drinking alcohol.
Same difference.
What? Now you're gonna make us drunk.
The alcohol cooks out, darling.
No, why are you putting alcohol? Just put alcohol in it.
Alright, and mommy the flour.
I'll add the flour.
Alright, so this is 2.5 cups of flour.
2.5
Careful.
flour.
There you go.
And then mix it all up.
This Evan Williams is by far my favorite flavor. So if you try a different bourbon, just know it's going to make a completely different cookie. And once that's fully incorporated, that is really all we got to do there.
And
This, I mixed together a 1/4 cup of specifically granulated cane sugar and a pinch of salt. And then I'm just going to add a tiny splash of bourbon to it.
it smells like alcohol.
It's going to make like a wet granulation here.
You need that for when the cookies are ready or something.
If it's too wet, I just add a little more sugar in. It is not super important that the measurements are accurate on that. Now, as always with any of my cookie recipes, I like to make the really large ones, so I use my 1/3 cup measure scoop. And I go ahead and get those.
And I give it time. Yes, we do. Oh, we roll these in
Once
the
they're all just kind of gently coated, we set those down, pat them a little bit. We want them about just under 1/2 inch thick. I would say about 2.5 inches in diameter. They are beautiful, and the inside is so thick and so soft. Absolutely incredible.